Your digestive system works silently every second of your life. It decides how much energy you have in the morning, how calm or bloated you feel after meals, how strong your immunity is, and even how clearly your mind functions. Most people only notice it when something goes wrong: burning acidity, painful gas, stubborn constipation, or constant fatigue. But long before medicines are needed, food itself becomes the most powerful healer. Medical science now confirms that certain foods don't just help digestion, they actively repair, protect, and strengthen the gut. Here are 15 of the best medically supported foods for digestive system health, explained in a way your body will understand. 1. Yogurt is one of the most researched foods for gut health. It contains live probiotics that restore balance to the gut microbiome, especially after stress, antibiotics, or poor diet. These good bacteria help break down food, reduce bloating, prevent diarrhea, and improve nutrient absorption. Regular yogurt consumption has been linked to better bowel regularity and stronger immunity. 2. Kefir goes a step further than yogurt. This fermented drink contains multiple strains of beneficial bacteria and yeast that work together to heal gut inflammation and improve digestion. Medical studies show kefir can help people with lactose intolerance digest dairy more easily and can calm an irritated digestive tract. 3. Bananas are gentle healers for the stomach and intestines. They are rich in prebiotic fiber, which feeds healthy gut bacteria, helping them grow and function properly. Bananas also help regulate bowel movements and are often recommended during digestive distress because they are easy to digest and soothing. 4. Oats are a cornerstone of digestive health. Their soluble fiber forms a gel-like substance in the gut that slows digestion just enough to improve nutrient absorption while keeping stools soft and regular. Oats also support the growth of beneficial gut bacteria and reduce the risk of constipation and irritable bowel symptoms. 5. Ginger has been used for centuries, and modern medicine confirms why. It stimulates digestive enzymes, reduces gas, relieves nausea, and speeds up stomach emptying. Ginger is especially helpful for bloating, indigestion, and stomach discomfort after heavy meals. 6. Papaya contains papain, a powerful digestive enzyme that helps break down proteins efficiently. This makes digestion smoother and reduces feelings of heaviness after eating. Papaya is often recommended for people who experience indigestion, bloating, or slow digestion. 7. Apples are rich in pectin, a soluble fiber that improves gut movement and supports healthy stool formation. Pectin also acts as food for beneficial bacteria, helping maintain a balanced gut microbiome. Eating apples regularly has been linked to better digestive comfort and long-term gut health. 8. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are essential for digestive strength. They provide magnesium, fiber, and plant compounds that nourish gut bacteria and help maintain the protective lining of the intestines. These greens also help prevent constipation and support overall digestive efficiency. 9. Chia seeds may be tiny, but their impact on digestion is powerful. When soaked or eaten with liquids, they expand and form a gel that supports smooth bowel movements. Chia seeds also provide fiber that feeds gut bacteria and reduces inflammation in the digestive tract. 10. Flax seeds are rich in both soluble and insoluble fiber, making them ideal for digestive balance. They help relieve constipation, reduce gut inflammation, and support healthy bowel movements. Medical research also links flax seeds to improved gut lining health. 11. Fermented foods such as sauerkraut, kimchi, and fermented vegetables introduce live beneficial bacteria into the gut. These microbes help crowd out harmful bacteria, improve digestion, and enhance immune function. Regular consumption is associated with reduced bloating and better digestive resilience. 12. Bone broth supports digestive healing at a deeper level. It contains amino acids like glutamine that help repair the gut lining and reduce inflammation. Bone broth is often recommended for people with sensitive digestion, leaky gut symptoms, or chronic digestive discomfort. 13. Sweet potatoes are gentle, nourishing, and rich in fiber. They support steady digestion without irritating the stomach and help regulate bowel movements. Their natural compounds also help protect the gut lining and reduce inflammation. 14. Whole grains such as brown rice and whole wheat provide long-lasting fiber that keeps digestion moving smoothly. Unlike refined grains, whole grains support gut bacteria diversity and reduce the risk of digestive disorders over time. 15. Peppermint has strong medical evidence behind it, especially for people with irritable bowel symptoms. It relaxes intestinal muscles, reduces cramping, eases gas, and improves overall digestive comfort. Peppermint tea or natural peppermint intake can bring noticeable relief. Your digestive system remembers what you feed it. Every healthy bite builds strength, balance, and healing from the inside out. You don't need perfection, just consistency. Start with one food today, then another tomorrow. When your gut becomes healthy, energy rises, immunity strengthens, and your body finally works with you, not against you.